Good morning, children. Today we can continue the topic My Body. In last class, we have learned about our sense organs. Shall we recall some more points from the last class? We see eyes. What is the use of eyes? Eyes helps us to see. Next, ears. What is the use of ears? Helps us to hear. Next, nose. What is the use of nose? Helps us to smell. Next, tongue. What is the use of tongue? Helps us to taste. Next, skin. What is the use of skin? Helps us to feel. Now, we can learn some more new words from today's topic. Look at here. Here you can see 4 new words, 5 new words. See, chest. What is the spelling of chest? C-H-E-S-T. Chest. എന്താണ് chest എന്ന് വാക്കിന്റെ അർത്ഥം? നെഞ്ച്. Next one, knee. What is the spelling of the word knee? K-N-E-E. Knee. What is the meaning of the word knee? കാൽമുട്ട്. Next one, elbow. What is the meaning of the word elbow? കൈമുട്ട്. What is the spelling of the word elbow? E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. Next one, stomach. What is the meaning of the word stomach? Wire. What's the spelling of the word stomach? S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Next one, face. What is the meaning of the word face? Mukham. What is the spelling of the word face? F-A-C-E. Children, say along with me. Can you? Now, chest. Say all of you. Chest. Spelling C-H-E-S-T. Chest. Next one, knee. Say all of you. Knee. Spelling K-N-E-E. Knee. What is the meaning of the word knee? കാൽമുട്ട്. Next one, elbow. Say all of you. Elbow. Spelling E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. കൈമുട്ട്. Next one, stomach. Say along with me. Stomach. What's the spelling of the word stomach? S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Say once again. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. What is the meaning of the word stomach, children? Wire. Next one, face. What is the meaning of the word face? Mukham. Say once again the spelling. F-A-C-E. Face. Now once again I will recall you the sense organs. Which are our sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Now take your hand, all of you children. What is this? Thumb. Say all of you. Thumb. What's the spelling of thumb? T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. All these 5 fingers together we will say what answer? Fingers. This part is known as, all these parts together we will call it as our hand. This, what is that? Elbow. Arm. All these parts together we will call it as our hand. Once again I will tell you what's the spelling of fingers? F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. What is the spelling of thumb? T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. What's the spelling of elbow? E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. Arm. What is spelling of arm? A A-R-M, arm. Now we can learn the parts of our leg. Knee. What is the spelling of knee? K-N-E-E. Knee. What is that? Kalmutter. Look at here. This is known as kalmutter. Now, foot. What's the spelling of foot? F-O-O-T. Foot. Can you see in this picture foot, children? Now, toes. T-O-E-S. Toes. Here you can see toes in this picture. Now, once again I will tell you the parts of your leg. Knee, foot, toes. Now take a page number 147. Look at this diagram in your textbook. Here you can see head. Next one, ear. Then thumb. So the spelling of thumb, T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. See, this is thumb. നിങ്ങളുടെ തള്ളവിരലിനാണ് എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? Thumb. Now fingers. What's the spelling of fingers? F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. Now you can see hand. What's the spelling of hand? H-A-N-D. Hand. Next one, chest. What's the spelling of chest? C-H-E-S-T. Chest. എന്താണ് chest എന്ന വാക്കിന്റെ അർത്ഥം? നെഞ്ച്. Next one, stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. What's the spelling of the word stomach? S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Now come eyes. E-Y-E. Eye. Kanna. Then nose. N-O-S-C. Nose. Mooka. Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. See neck where it is? What's the spelling of neck? N-E-C-K. What is the meaning of the word neck? Kaluttu. Next, elbow. Look at here. E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. What is the meaning? Kaimuttu. Next, you see the arm. A-R-M. Arm. Come. Again, you can see knee. Look at here. K-N-E-E. Knee. Here, the spelling of leg. L-E-G. Leg. Now, you can hear the spelling of foot. Look at foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. See the toes? T-O-E-S. All of you spell once again. Now, head, ear, thumb, fingers, hand, chest, stomach, leg, toes, eye, nose, neck, elbow, arm, knee, foot. Listen, children. Now you have to take your notebook and write these 5 words and its meaning. I'll say once again. You have to take your notebook, write these 5 words. Which are they? Chest, നെഞ്ച്, knee, കാൽമുട്ട്, elbow, കൈമുട്ട്, stomach, വയർ, face, മുഖം. All these 5 words you have to write in your notebook. Afterwards, you take your text, page number 147. See this picture here. You have to draw eyes, nose, mouth and hair for this picture. Now you can take your page number 148. Keep your fingers. We use our hands to hold things, to write and clap. എന്തിനാണ് നമ്മൾ കൈകൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്? എഴുതുവാനും വായിക്കുവാനും എന്തെല്ലാം സാധനങ്ങൾ ക്യാരി ചെയ്യുവാനും. Now we use our leg to walk, jump and run. എന്താണ് നമ്മുടെ കാലുകളുടെ ഉപയോഗം? നടക്കുക, ഓടുക, ചാടുക. Next one. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are 5 friends. They are called sense organs. ഈ 5 സെൻസ് ഓർഗനെ എന്താണ് പറയുന്നത്? ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. Now we can learn briefly about this sense organ. See, our eyes helps to see. Look at this picture, children. You can see your eye. All these things you can see with your eye. Next one. Our ears helps to hear the sounds of violin, bell, birds. All these sounds you are hearing through your ears. Next, our nose. Here you can see 3 pictures. First one, a perfume bottle. Next one, a rose. Next one, a plate of biryani or rice. Here, all the smell we can get through our nose. Our nose helps to smell. Next one, our tongue. നമ്മളുടെ നാക്ക്. Our tongue helps to taste. രുചിച്ചറിയുവാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് നാം നമ്മളുടെ നാക്ക് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. Here you can see a cake, piece of cake, a lemon and other thing. All this taste we are getting through our tongue. Now last one, our skin. Here you can see a cactus, a piece of ice, a mug of hot water. All these things, feelings we are getting through our skin. That means സ്പർശിച്ചറിയുന്നതിനാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്തുപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്? നമ്മളുടെ സ്കിൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. ഐസ് പീസ് നമ്മളുടെ കയ്യിൽ വെക്കുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് തണുപ്പ് അനുഭവപ്പെടുന്നു. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ചൂടുവെള്ളം വീഴുമ്പോൾ ചൂട് അനുഭവപ്പെടുന്നു. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഈ കാറ്റസ് മുള്ളു കൊള്ളുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ചെറുതായി വേദനിക്കുന്നു. ഇതെല്ലാം നമ്മളുടെ സ്കിന്നിൽ തൊടുമ്പോഴാണ് നമ്മൾ അനുഭവിച്ചറിയുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത് our skin helps us to feel. Now our sense organ helps us to know the world around us. നമ്മളുടെ ചുറ്റുമുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ കാണുന്നതിനും കേൾക്കുന്നതിനുമെല്ലാമാണ് നമ്മുടെ സെൻസ് ഓർഗൻസ് നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. Thank you, children. We will meet you in the next class.